Oh, the tree finally has flowers blooming. I believe this is a Bradford pear tree. It's got a lot of flowers. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. I just wanted to share this with y'all. uh, yeah, this is a good sign that it is now officially the start of spring. Well, I don't know exactly, but usually when this tree starts having flowers, it means springtime is here. Yoo-hoo! Pine trees, woo! And then these little clovers have these little clover flowers start blooming. Yeah, let me think. I think the flowers are clover blossoms, I think. Man, I wish I could find me a 4-leaf clover in there. That'd be kind of cool. Um, hmm. Hmm. Yeah, over there, my apple tree still hasn't uh, got any new leaves yet. Or my blueberry bush or muscadine vine over there. Oh, or my other muscadine vine over there. Like right there. Yum. I know one thing. Feels good outside. And let me see here. Now the cool thing about my blueberry bush over here, it's got these little really cool looking flowers. Little flowers, which means that it's fixing to start making blueberries. And then right there buzzing around, I don't know if you can see them on camera, there's a bunch of bees flying around, which is a good sign because they're pollinating the flowers, which is pretty cool. Them things are so fast you can barely see them. Oh, there's one right there. Ain't that pretty cool? It's amazing how nature works. And there's my dog Angel. She's running away from the camera. Angel! 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 Quit avoiding the camera. You know, she's on the trail of something. She smells something. Bye bye, everybody.